In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Behance portfolio private. If you are refining a project, sharing it for feedback, or simply not ready for the world to see it, switching your Behance project to private is a quick way to control who has access. This change hides the project from your public profile and search, while keeping all your work safely stored so you can return to it anytime. Let's start with a project you already have open in the editor. With your Behance project open, look toward the top of the editor and click the Settings tab. This is where Behance stores all the key project options that aren't part of the visuals or text. In the Settings panel, find the Behance Visibility section. You'll see a drop-down that usually defaults to everyone, which means the project is public. Click that drop-down and change it to private. This tells Behance not to display the project publicly. To make the change stick, click Publish or Save, depending on what button you see, even though it may say Publish. In this context, you are just updating the settings. Your project won't be publicly visible because you set it to private. Now, if your project is already published and live on your profile, you can still make it private in just a moment. Go to the project page and click the Edit button. This brings you back into the editor view for that project. Again, head to the Settings tab at the top. Locate the Behance Visibility section and switch the drop-down from Everyone to Private. When you are done, click Update Project to apply the change. Behance will update the visibility, and the project will no longer appear on your public profile. A few quick tips to keep in mind. First, making a project private doesn't delete or erase anything. It simply hides it from public view so you can keep working. Second, give it a moment to refresh if you don't see the change right away on your profile. You can always confirm by reopening the project's settings to ensure the visibility reads private. And finally, remember to repeat these steps for any other projects you'd like to keep private visibility is set per project, not for your entire portfolio at once. That's it. Thanks for watching.